Hi, I'm Lorenzo Savadori. Welcome to Golf and at the Aprilia All Stars Day. Ciao!
I think MotoGP is an area where we have not been there, so we hopefully like our brand has been a winner's brand. We heard the ambitions of the team here. We can win together, and not only win, we play well together. So I think that's been part of our DNA.
Hey everyone, Bradley Smith, Aprilia factory racing test rider for this year, and hello to everyone at golf.
To be honest, anytime I see the Golf logo on the bike, I feel proud of it because it's such a brand, such full of history, and super good for us to have this kind of relationship.
It's a really strong brand, famous brand about motorsport, and I'm from younger. No, I have a Porsche Golf model in my room.
In 2-3 years' time, I think we will be fighting for the top position, and I think we will have a Golf branding in the bike, and we will give you a huge return in terms of image. But the good thing is that at good partners we will do it together.